for you. I do that 3-4 times a night, testify for you. I swear I like you, that bitch, I do it. All that I'm around, you scared to do. I'm not, as long as you joking, now in for me. I ain't got it, my bitch, skin, do it. I your bodies, as long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. Tell the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose?
Good morning, guys. So today we're working on Blaine's car. Hopefully today is the last day that we're going to be working on these over fenders. I really want to get them finished by today because it's kind of taking a while. Blaine's side is already done, which I'm not too surprised about because he's a lot better than me at bodywork. So his side is all primed. I still have my side to finish up. This is what it looks like. I accidentally sanded too hard in this section, so I sanded way past where the body filler was. So we had to lay down a little bit more, waited for it to dry overnight, and now I can start sanding. It just gets really cold at night, so it takes a while for it to dry, so we let it dry overnight. I'm gonna just start sanding everything down. Hopefully everything will be pretty smooth this last pass, and then I can start primering. I brought my car outside today. I actually drove it. I took it around the block just for fun, and I have it parked over here. It looks really good.
No fear in you. I ain't too scared to shoot. But I got a man at home. I be like family too. But I got needs and wants. What's my attitude? What's my self-control? Wanna take care of you.
So I just finished my side. I laid down some primer. I think I have to go in and sand it down again and then spray another layer of primer. But my side is good. This is what it looks like. There's this section right here that I didn't do too good. I'm gonna need to probably put just a little bit of spot or glazing putty over here. But other than that, it looks really good.
Okay, that's enough. Let's close the garage. Close the garage.
It's too sick outside?
Yeah. All the junk cars stay outside the garage. All the valuable ones stay inside. So we got both sides done? Both sides are done?
Both of them are done. Ooh, which one's the better one?
Crispy.
This is the I-8 side?
No, this is the 100 side.
Wait, but what's this side?
That's the I side. Mine is the cherry side. Okay guys, so we are gonna go ahead and cut the arches or the, see how this was bowled out so it sticks out a lot into the wheel well. So how I like to do it, or how I'm gonna do it, is just take the marker, get off all this dust, and I'm literally gonna just mark where it starts, and I'm gonna run this along just like that, and that's gonna give us the perfect arch.
The perfect arch?
Yep. Same with this one right here. I only need a little bit. All right, ready?
Mm-hmm. Got your mask? Got this thing? Got this bit? I got this? We're gonna cut it. Ready?
Now she gonna let you. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, think we got too sexy for that metro house. Diamond popped out on my father, 60,000. Section need more things in here. I like it crowded. Like, whoa, whoa. Yeah, I like it crowded.
So that came out pretty good. So the next thing that we want to do is make sure that the bumper fits nicely over this, because we did bring out the bottom section of the quarter panel quite a bit, as well as the side skirts. So we're gonna go ahead and test fit right now so we can make adjustments if we need to. You ready?
Look, there's a spider that came out of the wheel well.
Holy crap! That thing's huge! Jeez. Moment of truth.
Holy, it fits.
You grab that side.
Okay. This side fits good.
It fits even better.
It does, huh? We just need to fix these parts on the bumper.
I just gotta figure out how to get it to sit. Just a tiny bit up. Push this down. There.
How's this side?
So if it's... Yeah, see, that looks so good. Yee! Okay, so now we gotta test out the side skirts. I'll probably put a bolt down here. How do you guys mount your guys' side skirts and your guys' bumpers? I don't really want to put like any hardware on the outside. If I have to, I'll put a quick release, but ideally I want to just shove a zip tie or something in here. Now the rule of thumb is, because we go drifting a lot, it's better to put a zip tie in there that'll rip off versus tear the fiberglass bumper up or the side skirts up. So that's why we run zip ties that hold the bumper on, so that way it doesn't tear the whole fiberglass, it'll just break the zip tie. I know a lot of people want to bolt up their bumpers, but for drifters, that's the reason why we put zip ties, is because it's better to break the zip tie off and the bumper just fly away versus have it hard mounted and then it tears the whole bumper up. To be honest though, the side skirts are gonna be screwed on in the door frame or door the door. So
be a half drift car.
so these ones might rip off. Terrible. Oh, that went on super good.
Yeah.
These name brand parts are so good because look, it fits perfectly. The only thing I need to figure out is like how to hold this in. So sick!
The side skirt was really good.
Yeah, it fits really, really nicely. So the main parts that I was worried about is this edges here and this edge here.
But it looks really
they match.
good.
Yeah. They line up really well.
Wow, no, it's probably because this is my side that I did. I don't know if your side is gonna line up as good.
We're gonna try right now. We have the other side right here.
Oh, like this side is so big.
He's chilling. Oh, it's in the side skirts too.
It looks good.
Yeah, it looks super good. Let's just look at it aired out now.
Okay. So this is ride height?
Is that what you're used to? That's my
Okay, so ride height.
No, honey, this is all the way high.
Wow.
Oh, you gotta come in the back.
Oh. Okay, the back.
Ready?
Uh-huh.
Whoa!
It's perfect.
Yeah, I know.
Drop the roof and that just spoke it. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might mystify. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. Just that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. Just that stepping out, I feel like I'm addicted.
Damn, look at that. Let me step back a little bit. Take a look at it in all of its glory. Test fit the wing on this bad boy. Right here, like this. Yo, this thing is so cool. That looks so much better, I swear. This fender is the key. These fenders, you can't tell me this fender is not better than the other fender. This fender is so much more better. Yeah?
Yeah.
This looks so good. I only deleted the line. What do you guys think? I'm super stoked on it. The rear can come down a little bit more too. I have a smaller profile tire that I'm gonna put on this. And then it can also go a little bit lower too, because if you guys remember when I installed the bags on this car, I made it so air out height is just before it hits the top. So I have about another inch or so to sit actually on the tire. So this thing is gonna be cherry. Ideally, I wanted to sit on the floor, but maybe not. Guys, make sure you guys give this video a like. Subscribe if you guys haven't already. We want more people to find out about the channel. Make sure you guys tell your friends, your family, everybody. Drop us all on your social media so people can find us here. Thank you guys so much for the support. I'm super stoked on this. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. We read everything. We try to reply to every single one of them. Hopefully, this car will get painted soon. So what do we have left? Fix this bumper.
Fix the hood.
The hood.
Fix this roof.
This roof.
Somebody sat on the roof and also on the hood.
Yeah, somebody definitely sat on this hood. This hood is not for this car. This hood is for the other shell on the side. But I have a vented hood that we have to fix. So we got a bunch of projects to go, but this car is getting closer and closer to paint. Oh yeah, so everybody, let us know where you guys are down in the comment section below. As you guys know, or if you guys don't know, me and Christina are originally from Hawaii. So we've been in the mainland for about 7 years now or so. So it's always cool to see people back home support what we do here, drop comments and stuff like that. But we also get DMs and comments from people around the world. So let us know where you guys are from, because we want to know. That's super dope that you guys support what we do here on the channel. And again, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe as well so that way more people can find out what we're doing here on the channel, guys. It's super dope. Look at this.